Hi, welcome back to my channel Law Laboratory. So this video is a step-by-step guide on how to resolve query. So sometimes when you submit your application and there is any issue, CAC will query it. Maybe because a document is not clear, the address is not correct, or the payment has issues, or the ID card is not clear, it's not the correct one. So one or two things can just come up for CAC not to approve it and they query it. So what you will do is to click on registration. This is your dashboard. Click on registration. You will see queried application. So you click on it. It will take you to this place. All these ones are queried. It will check. So these are the ones number 1 to 5. So we go to the action. We go to action. We check on the history. What is the issue? So for this one, no stamp duty record found. So, but this may not actually be the real reason for this is this. Upload proficiency certificate from Teacher Education Council of Nigeria. So this is what is left in this application now. Yes. So we have to go back to it and go back to action. Then go to modify application. It will take you to the company's dashboard. Yes. So we'll go to the place to resolve it. We have already checked this. So you click save and continue. So you click on save and continue. Then this all of this were already been done during the registration. So we're not going to redo anything. Just to click save and continue, save until you get to the last place for upload to upload documents. So you save and continue. Then this is the objects of memorandum, that is what the company is into. You save and continue. Then the director and secretary details are here already. Just be saving and continuing till you get to this place, uploads. So we are now in uploads. You upload the document. You upload the documents, the one that is, put it under here, others. So you say upload. Then you go to your, let's say downloads is here. So this is a document here. Then we open uploaded, is uploading. Yeah, that's uploaded. You can view other ones that you have done. So, and then you save. You could just cross check what's the issue. Okay, this signature, this is what is missing here. So anytime you click save and it's not going, that means there is something that has not been done. So I have to go and look for that signature and add it up there. So you save and continue. Save and continue. So this is what it will show after you have done what they asked you to do. So this case was to submit that document. So I've done that. Say confirm action. Do you want to submit this query application for review? Kindly ensure you have resolved all issues before proceeding. Say yes, submit and resolve query. So if verifying payment history, submitting, registration submitted, you'll be notified the application has been received. Thank you. Save and continue. So this is what it will show after you have done what they asked you to do. So this case was to submit that document. So I've done that. Say confirm action. Do you want to submit this query application for review? Kindly ensure you have resolved all issues before proceeding. Say yes, submit and resolve query. So if verifying payment history, submitting, registration submitted, you'll be notified the application has been received. Thank you. So you can go back and it's here pending application. So it is pending. They're going to send me a message whether it has been resolved or not. So thank you. Subscribe for more on this channel. Different legal issues, not just only CAC. So, but I'm a life coach on CAC matters. That is the Corporate Affairs Commission. I will teach you how to do different things in CAC. Yes, how to do then requiring consent. Like here, this is a place for NGO. Also, you want to file your annual returns. When you register your companies, you don't just leave it like that. So you have to file what is called annual returns. So you can always come back to my channel, come back to the comment sections, you send me private messages. So I'm here to respond to you and guide you and the practical ways. I also have landlord and tenant matters. Yeah, the tenant rights, landlord rights, and then the things that the police doesn't have right to do. Yes, I will describe police duties or powers, and then the citizens' rights too. So it is not in every case that police invites you that you will come. So, and these and many more are the things you are going to benefit from my channel, and different legal issues, conflict of laws on international laws, live streams on different areas of law. So if you have any particular area of law that you want me to um, make video on, you can kindly comment, put it on the comment section. I will gladly do it. So let's grow together, let's learn and create and give value. I'm so grateful for the audience I have here. Thank you for coming and God bless you. Subscribe, like, and share.